In this video we are going to show the some effects of diffracting edge. Let's start with unmodified edge from the experiment in previous video. We get around 10% intensity reading. When the transmitter is moved closer to the obstacle, the intensity is not simply increasing. It varies up and down instead due to interference effect. Now the tip of the aluminum stripes are bent away from the transmitter. The intensity is around 15%. Other positions of the obstacle produce lower intensity. Now another aluminum stripe is attached to the edge of the grid using a double tape. This time we can get up to 20% diffraction intensity. Other positions of the obstacle produce lower intensity. Now the width of the edge aluminum stripe has been doubled. The intensity can reach close to 30%. When the transmitter is moved closer to the obstacle, the intensity also varies, but this time, it tends to zero as the distance is getting closer. Let's repeat the experiment, and start the measurement without the obstacle, which shows intensity close to zero. When the obstacle is introduced to the system, the intensity starts to increase. The maximum value is reached when the edge is a bit overreaching, which suggests that reflection by the edge stripe has a significant contribution to the intensity of diffracted microwave.